Yeshan Set of 12 PCS Butterfly Design Golden Alloy Mini. These are a great deal. I have been buying these at a trade show for $2 a piece. I have fine hair and for some reason I keep getting hairdressers that cut my bangs too short but too long to tuck behind my ear. As a result my bangs end up poking me in the eye. These are so pretty and I am able to keep my hair out of my eyes. I have pulled up my bangs and took a nap and the clip held on perfect. They are also seem to be sturdy and the crystals are vibrant and sparkling bright. 3 sets of interlocking banana combs hair clip French. A little difficult to figure out at first how it closes. The teeth just interlock for those who like me just didn't get it. Otherwise a must-have for us that are growing out our short hair and it's just not long enough yet to get into an elastic pony. It looks quite fabulous. Actually much nicer than a ponytail. Double weft 100% Remy human hair clip-in extensions. Bought bleach blonde to dye pink and match my hair doesn't blend with my hair usually cause I have curly hair vs this is so straight little crazy on the ends but blends beautifully if I braided. People give tons of compliments. 100% human hair color took completely no blonde strands and I love it. I have a few pictures, first ones as just clipped in when I woke up and other days at my cosmetology school, Aveda Institute's New Orleans, as well as the short-haired picture is my true hair with no extensions and I only have one pack but enough to make the hair look like it's actually mine. Bundle Monster Hawaiian Plumeria Flower Foam Hair Clip Accessory. I got these, wanting to have flowers for my hair that were affordable and looked good. I like them well enough. I was a little worried that the strength of the clip would not be strong enough to stay, but the strength is good. What I don't like is that the flower stands up so tall that you pretty much have to wear a bun or something bigger like that because otherwise it looks a little goofy. Bright White Velvet Gardenia Hair Clip. Bright white gardenia hair clip, beautiful all white velvet like bloom. Alligator clip and pin on the back for added versatility. Simple and basic flower, super easy to wear. Matches everything. Hairdo clip-in bangs are 10 chestnut. F.D.A, and 71, ASTM or CE approval. Non-toxic. Fashionable, eye-catching designs. Long-lasting for 5-7 days. Easily water transfer on and remove by baby oil. High-quality temporary tattoos and no toxic. Can be freely used on skin, glass, pottery, metal, and other smooth and clear surface. Make people sexy and mysterious by applying the patterns to the body anywhere you want in the events, parties, bikini, swimming, and used to cover scars as well. Warning: don't apply to sensitive skin. Bundle Monster 12 PC Multicolor Satin Peony Flower Hair Clip. Cute pieces. I ended up pulling the pin backing off of them all as I intended to use them as hairband pieces for my baby. The alligator clips work great for that, but the pins left marks on her head, so I just pulled them off. I have gotten a lot of compliments on these. They are super cute and easy to interchange. Nice shop lovely retro vintage crystal butterfly hair clips hair. Shipping packaging, arrived on time. Packaged a little cheaply in just a plastic envelope. Product, very pretty, great craftsmanship. I receive compliments every time I wear it. Must have hair that is on the thick side to hold product in place because it is quite large and heavy. Seller, I would order from this seller again. Beautiful product at an unbelievable price. Uxcell Women Black Metal Bow Prong Snap Hair Clips. I originally rated these low and commented that they were as huge and unattractive, however after receiving them and using them they are amazing. Although they are huge they do a great job holding hair in place. I'm an off-road travel writer and out on the trails it can get extremely dusty and dirty. In the wind long hair can be a burden, but with these great giant clips my hair stays just where I need it to, whether that's a ponytail, bun, or braid. Future light purple stylish elegant colorful rhinestone butterfly bride. This is a very beautiful hair ornament that is of really surprisingly excellent quality for the price. I will get a lot of use out of it and intend to order from this company again for myself and for gifts. Cobway bronze and red blue retro charm with leaves rose flowers. The fashion hair clip is easy to create an everyday style that looks well groomed but not contrived, or you can make your own edgier hairstyles. Every rhinestone is well embellished and appears twinkling, looking definitely good as the best priority for those who like fashion accessories. Very simple and flexible to be used on top side and the back of your hair. Great gift idea for friends, female playmates and those who are into fashion trend. Colors show as pictures. Package include 1x vintage hair accessories.